This is Reverend Anthony Matias with a Pastoral Care Moment.
Our reading comes from 2 Timothy chapter 1, verse 7. For God did not give us a spirit of cowardice, but rather a spirit of power and of love and of self-discipline. Paul says to Timothy, fan into flame the gift of God which is in you.
At Christian Health, each day begins with morning devotions. It's a time to reflect and be reminded that health and healing are not only mental and physical, but also deeply spiritual. Our team is dedicated to providing spiritual care across our campuses. By focusing on a specific community of residents, patients, or clients, each chaplain has the opportunity to deeply understand the unique needs, challenges, and joys of those they serve. We are committed to growing in our calling, continually seeking new ways to provide excellent care. We also welcome outside clergy to our campuses to engage with our community, ensuring the needs of those of all faith backgrounds are nurtured and respected. You'll find us at the bedside, in worship, in times of celebration, and in times of loss, sometimes with words, sometimes in silence, but always with hearts open to meet each person exactly where they are.
I'm grateful for pastoral care because it's brought me and my life closer to God. I love the worship services, both on Sundays and Tuesdays. I sing my heart out when I go to the services. I think it's fabulous. Living as I am today, I'm just very, very thankful for the pastoral care and what that group has to offer to my life, because without that, I don't know where I'd be right now.
I am a faith believer, and anytime I had a problem, I'd light a candle and say a prayer. I found church to be a place where I could give myself to God and let Him help me through whatever trying things I was going through. And by coming here, I know that there is Christopher here, who to me is my church. Any of these services that I attend makes me feel closer to God. I'm 90 years old, so I'm grateful for pastoral care because it gives me a chance to thank God and to be closer to God and to thank Him for what He's given me all my life.
At Christian Health, pastoral care is not just a department. It's part of everything that we do, every interaction, every decision, every act of care. For more than a century, we've remained true to the Christian principles on which we were founded, ministering to the whole person, body, mind, and spirit. Through pastoral care, we live out our vision of being the hands of Christ for others, extending mercy, love, and spiritual support to those in our care.